Hello, in this video I'm about to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so basically there are two options how to reset your phone, and first we can start from the option through the settings. So simply let's go into the settings. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the general management. Now we can scroll down again until we find the reset option. And now under the reset we can also reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and also reset accessibility settings. But we are mostly interested in the factory data reset. But also I will tell you that before you factory data reset your phone, you should remember that all of your data will be erased from the phone. So it's good to have a backup. If you don't know how to create a one, we also have a video on our channel how to do it, so you can look for it. Okay, so basically now we need to tap on factory data reset, again scroll, click on reset, and now click on this blue button at the bottom, delete all. Then your phone will be automatically restarted, and then you will need to set it up. Okay, so that's the first option. And now the second option is by using the recovery mode. So first let's turn off our phone. Okay, let's click on power off. And now you'll need to have a computer with yourself and also a USB cable to connect your phone into your laptop or computer. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna plug the USB cable. Okay. And now into our computer. Okay, now we can see the logo that our phone is currently charging. And now we need to enter the recovery mode. So to do it, we need to simply hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Volume up, I'm sorry. So let's hold both of these buttons. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. So to move around this menu, we will use the volume buttons. When I click the volume up, I go up. When I click volume down, I go down. That's really simple. And if you want to confirm the selected option, you'll use the power button. So now we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Now let's confirm by clicking the power button. Now again click down into factory data reset. Also you'll see right here that this cannot be undone, and also all of your data will be erased permanently from your phone. And now let's click on the power button. You can see in here that data wipe complete. And now basically all you need to do is click on reboot system now, confirm, and now your phone will be turned on, and then you will need to set it up. So that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.